Hello class 7th. Today we are studying decimal place value chart. Okay, earlier we have done all the fractional exercise up to 2.4 and now the decimal place value chart. This decimal place value chart has two parts. One part, just see here I have written a number 259.62. This number has two parts. This part is here the whole number are there, and here the decimal numbers are there 0.62. So if the number are whole, we know how to arrange them in a place value chart. For this, because there are decimal numbers, so we need a decimal place value chart. So how we can locate these number on a decimal place value chart? As we move towards the right towards the right of this place value chart, the value of the digits become lesser. Means, as just see, it is 9 ones. It is 9 ones. You can see that is 9 ones, and it is 5 tens means 50, and it is 200. So this is 259.62. So this 6 is out of 10. Means this means if we are taking any object and we are making its 10 parts and we are taking 6 out of this, then this 6 is out of 10. So the place value of every digit will be, this 9 will be at ones place. Here you can see it will be at ones place. This 5 you can see this 5 will be at tens place, and this 2 will be at hundreds place. Now 6, what is the place value of this 6? So that is ones, it is the place, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousand place, and this is tens. I have written T, this is tens means 1 upon 10. And this is hundreds, not 100. 100 is here. This is hundreds part. Hundreds means hundreds part. This is hundreds part, and then it is thousand parts. Means this is the thousands. This value. This place is for thousands part. So this is 259, and this is 6 upon 10. This is 6 upon 10. This number is 6 upon. This is 6 upon 10. So place value will put this 6 at tens place. Okay, this 6 will put at tens place, and this 2 will put at hundreds place. Okay. Now means now what you are observing? You are observing that at this side, if we are moving to this side on the place value chart, the values are increasing to the left of this, and when we are moving towards the right hand side, the values are decreasing. Means it is out of 10, it is out of 100, it is out of 1000. Now next number is 5265 and 008. We will not read it as 8, or we will not read it as 62. We will read it out as 008. Okay, so where we have to put? Now 5 will be at tens place, and 6 will be at 5 will be at ones place, 6 will be at tens place, this 2 will be at hundreds place, and this 5 will be at tens place. Okay, now this 008 is there, so tens place is 0, hundreds place is 0, and thousand place is 8. Now similarly we will do the third part of this, that is 72.051. So this 2 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place, and at tens place there is tenths, that is place is 0, and hundreds place there will be 5, and ones place and it at thousands place that will be 1. Okay, now this is the place value chart. Now come to how to read, how we will expand these number, expanded form of these number. So this 259.62 I have written. We can expand it in two ways, in the decimal way or in the fractional way. Okay, if I am writing in the decimal way, this is 200, then 5 tens means 50 and 9 ones means 9. Okay, that is the tens. This is 6 tens. So after decimal one digit is there, simply one digit is there, then decimal and one digit, that is 6. And after decimal how many digits are there? 2 digits. So this the decimal expansion will be 0.02. That is the key. This 2 is at tens place, hundreds place. So there will be 2, the 2 will be at 2 place after decimal. ये हो गया tens के लिए और ये वाला हो गया hundreds के लिए. ओके, नाउ फ्रैक्शन को, सेम नंबर को हम फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में भी एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं. दैट होल पार्ट विल बी सिमिलर. Okay, 200 का 200, 50 and the 9 will be 9 as we have done in decimal. Now decimal, that is in 6 tenths. So we can write it 6 upon 10. This is the fractional expansion. Okay. Now 2, this is 2 is 2 hundreds. So 2 upon 100. We read it 2 hundreds. So it will be 2 upon 100. Similarly, the next question. 5265.008. Okay, now the in decimal form how will expand it? 5000. So 5200. What we are reading it as we are writing it. जैसे हम इसे पढ़ते हैं वैसे इसको लिखते हैं. ओके, 5265. The 200, then 60, then 5. The decimal में expansion में we will write 0 because the value of either to the whole part or to the decimal part, the value of that place value of that number is 0. 0 की place value चाहे whole number में हो चाहे fractional part में हो वो 0 ही रहती है. ओके, तो 0 and this 0 is 0 और ये 8 की place value क्या हो गई? ये हो गया tens, ये हो गया hundreds and ये हो गया thousand. So it is tens, hundreds and thousand. थर्ड प्लेस पे, यहाँ पे भी देखो थर्ड प्लेस पे है, तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद थर्ड प्लेस पे है. ओके, नाउ फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट में दिस पार्ट विल बी सिमिलर, ये वाला इतना सिमिलर रहेगा. देन 0/10 यू कैन राइट इट 0/10 और सिंपली यू कैन राइट 0 बिकॉज 0 इसकी वैल्यू भी 0 ही होगी. 0/100 और यू कैन राइट इट 0 ऑल्सो एंड इट इज 8/1000. 8/1000. So it is 8/1000. So this is the expanded form of decimal number. Now if we are comparing the decimal numbers, how we will compare the decimal numbers? Let's see. The comparison of decimal number, suppose comparing decimal numbers. Suppose I am writing 262.05 and I have to compare 262.59. Now look here. First we will compare the whole part. This whole part and this whole part. Both it is 262 and this is also 262. They look similar. तो ये similar लग रहे. Now we will move towards the next number. Tens place. Tens place पे here it is 0 and here it is 5. Here it is 5. तो simple. Here the number are similar. तो हमें पता नहीं चला कौन सा बड़ा है. Now we will move towards this side. So this is 0 and this is 5. So simply this is the greater number. So this is greater number. Suppose I am writing 81.08 and 81.8. Okay. Now again this is 81 and this is 81. Now here it is 8. It is 0 at tens place. It is 0 at tens place. It is 8. So this number is also 0. Or to understand in better way, you can say this 8 is out of this 0. 8 means this 8 is this 0.8 means this 8 is out of 100. 8 is out of 100 means किसी चीज के हमने 100 पार्ट किए, ठीक है. सपोज टेक एन एप्पल, you have cut that apple into 100 part, 100 pieces, and you have taken 8, and here the 8 is out of 10 parts. Similar apple, वैसा ही एक एप्पल है, and you have cut into 10 part, okay, 10 part, and you have taken 8 part. So the pieces, the apple we have made that 100 parts will be bigger, or the apple means these pieces will be bigger, or these pieces will be bigger. The apple we have made 10 parts will be bigger. So this number is bigger. To understand in better way, the meaning of this is the 0.8 is out of 100, and 0.8 means out of 10. So this number is greater. Similarly, you can compare. Suppose I have 85.8, and I have 85.889. Now which one is greater? Now just see 85.8. Now we have to just here only one digit is there. Here it is two digit. Here two digits are there. So we will make one digit. We will put one digit here. We will make it like decimal. Like decimal बनाएंगे. Like decimal क्या होते हैं? When we put we make the similar digits, similar digit after the decimal. यहाँ पे two digit थे और यहाँ भी हमने 2 digit बना लिए. तो this is now like decimal. So now it is 8 and 80 and it is 89. Now compare 85 similar, then 8 and 8 is similar. Now 10's place, 100's place, it is 0 and it is 0. Now it is 9. So which one is greater? This is greater. So simply this is greater. So this is the comparison of decimal number.